Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy Ethereum right here on CMC Markets. And for this we are now here on the market with Solana, but if you click on reset and we search now for here Ethereum, you will find here Ethereum to US dollar. So now if you double click on that, we have it here on the chart. And if you want to buy this, it's very simple. We click here on the blue button and then right here we can fill in the units that we want to buy or the amount. I want to do $1,000. It's just a demo account, so it's just an example. And then right here we can click on stop loss if you want to put a stop loss on it, and exactly the same for take profit. But we are interested now in just buying Ethereum. So then click right here on place a market buy order with costs. And now if we scroll down right here to Ethereum and we click on the plus icon, you can see right here that we created ourselves a position on the market. So this is how you can buy Ethereum on CMC Markets. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.